down here in my old cornfield, and I got to get this cleaned up. I got to get all this equipment put up. I got a fence charger, got my game camera. I get it put up. I gotta get all this poly wire picked up. I gotta figure out some way to pull these ground rods I got drove in here. And I gotta get all these posts picked up. I'm gonna get this mowed down. I'm gonna mow down over here again. Over here's where the greens are gonna be. I'm gonna get that mowed. I'm gonna get all this mowed or bush hogged. And I gotta be careful. I got a watermelon right down there. I see it. I see something right here. So I think that's them moons and stars, but I don't know for sure. I'm gonna go look. So I gotta leave that. I gotta remember that, and get the rest of it. The corn's gone, of course. Uh, then we're gonna till it. So I'm gonna get this tilled over here because I'm gonna put my greens in. Hopefully this week, next day or two. This I think I'm gonna put a cover crop. I ain't decided yet what I'm gonna do. We was at the co-op yesterday. They had some winter wheat for $10 for 50 pounds. I wish I bought it now. I was just done there. So I think I'm gonna put my veggies over here next year. And put my corn on the other side where the veggies are this year. So anyway, I gotta get this done. So I'm gonna start taking down this stuff. I hope that fence is off. We'll find out here in a minute. And I gotta figure out some way to pull these ground rods up. So let's get this done. I just thought that game cam's probably recorded all of this. This is a super nice game cam. I got a, I'm gonna turn it off. I got a video on that a couple of videos ago when I did a review on it. They sent me this, but this is really, it's been pretty cool. Seen a couple of coyotes. The only thing I really seen is a couple of coyotes, maybe a couple of ghosts. I don't know, something spooky going on. But anyway, them little weeds that get on anything. Bought this little reel here to, I guess, roll this wire up on it. So I'm gonna do that first, and well, I gotta do it first. Then we'll see if we can find them ground rods, get them out of there. Say I ain't whipped would be a lie. Whew, that took a lot longer than I thought it would. It's kind of like I feel kind of like I've been fighting halibut there in Alaska or something, you know, this big reel. But I got it, so what I did, I ended up cutting them and pulling them this way, pull them, you know, at the end. So whew, that took all my energy. All right, so now I got to find these ground rods, and hopefully I can get the tractor and pull them up. So I got to find them, and I'll get the tractor in position, and 2 hours to get those up. Broke ropes. Couldn't get my chain to work. Finally I put a clamp on it, on the rod. And I took a clavis and put around it. And I finally got them. So, whew. I'm beat. I ain't even through yet. All right, I'm gonna get this bush hog. I ain't picked up my post yet, so try to bush hog around them. That way, it make it a little easier when I come over later on. Pick those up. So let's get the bush hog. Got all that I wanted to get done bush hogging, so I'm gonna go I'm actually gonna go grab me some Powerade. I got all this. I did the potatoes again. I gotta dig those in maybe tomorrow. Did over there where we're gonna put the garlic. I did over here when we're gonna do the greens. So I'm gonna go get my tiller and we're gonna till that over and get ready to plant some turnip greens and collard greens and some beets. Now I think I'm gonna till this. I got sweet potatoes over there, it looks like weeds. They got a little watermelon over here and these weeds. So while I got the tiller on, I think I'm gonna till this and we'll cover crop it. All right, so let's go take a break and we'll come back this evening and do some tilling. I'd hope to be done by now, take the rest of the day off, but it didn't work out that way. About dark, and I got one pass on this where I'm gonna put the greens with the tiller. And my plan was to till this tonight and then till it in the morning and film it. I was just gonna do it real quick tonight because I kind of got tied up and took me a while to get everything hooked up, and then I was gonna till this on the video tomorrow, and the corn stalks, I want to get that residual turned in, but I had a little something happen here. darn hitch pin broke. Broke right off. What about that? So, first time for that. Had a lot of first times this year. So, I actually think I've got one somewhere. And it's either in the barn or the garage or somewhere. But I'm pretty sure I've got one. So, hopefully I can find that in the morning and get it fixed. But that's going to take up all my video time because this comes out at 4 o'clock. So, I got to have it done. This is a new shirt. So, I think I only had two. Today was a 2-shirt day. I got hot this afternoon pulling them things out. It about got me. But anyway, so I'm waiting the video here. I downloaded what I had anyway, and I got like 35 minutes of footage. So I try to keep them 15 minutes or so. And so we aren't gonna have any of this footage in here. I'll try to put it in the next one maybe, because I was really wanting to plant these tomorrow, but for some reason it's hard as a rock in there. I don't know what the deal is. It really needs plowed, but I ain't got time for that. So I was gonna let it sit overnight and hit it again a couple times with the tiller. Over there it don't really matter. I just want to loosen it and just kind of get them old corn stalks in the underground, let them start breaking down real good. And I was gonna put some cover crop over it anyway. And we'll plow it in the spring. And I think I'm gonna try a little experiment, maybe plowing over there. I hit it with the cutting hard, break up the plastic. Now I've still got broccoli and cabbage to put over there, so it'll be a while for that. I could do, well, I won't get into all that right now because I got maybe pumpkins up there. I think our pumpkins are a total loss, but anyway, I'm yabbering, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna end the video here. I did get one pass on this, on the greens. Hopefully a couple of days I'll get them planted. I'm gonna plant beets and greens over here, collards. I gotta go get all my seeds together. I was gonna do that tonight. Anyway, it don't matter. Appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit them hype buttons. I need all the help I can get. Appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. I've got 600, this is video 602, so I got 600 videos on small farming, homesteading, high tunnels, market gardening, kitchen gardening, building a greenhouse, egg mobiles, anything you can think of. I got a video, probably got a video on it. If I ain't, you let me know, I'll make one. So, all right, appreciate you watching. Support your local farm. We'll see you down there in the farm next video.